The roots of Clan Logie can be traced back to medieval times, where it flourished as a territorial family in Fife, Scotland. Wauter de Logie of Fife emerges from the pages of history, making his appearance on the infamous Ragman Roll in 1296. This document served as a record of Scottish nobles and landowners who submitted to the authority of King Edward I of England. Wauter's inclusion signifies the presence and influence of the Logie family during this significant period. Sir John of Logy takes centre stage in a pivotal moment of Scottish history. According to Sir David Dalrymple's Annals of Scotland, Sir John was one of the nobles who conspired with Edward II of England and the Earl of Warenne during their invasion of Scotland in 1320. This daring act of defiance against Scottish sovereignty provides a glimpse into the complex political landscape of the time and highlights the active role played by the Logie family. What sets Clan Logie apart from its counterparts is its unique heraldry. Although the arms given by Nisbet for Logie of that ilk, the chief of the clan, are ancient in form, they were never officially recorded in the registers of the Lion Court. This adds an air of mystique to the clan's symbolism, evoking intrigue and speculation about the intricate designs and elements that may adorn the Logie badge crest. Legacy and modern influence. While Clan Logie may not have achieved the same recognition as other clans, its legacy lives on through the descendants and modern-day representatives of the Logie family. They bear the responsibility of preserving the heritage and traditions associated with their territorial lineage. Genealogical research and family ties continue to provide a link to the past, offering an avenue for exploration and a deeper understanding of Clan Logie's historical significance.